In this video, I want to show you how to detach or attach Toolbox in ENVI software. This process helps you to easily customize the interface of ENVI software. That is, it helps you to arrange your Toolbox to make the interface more flexible. So let's get started. So the first thing to do, let's try to launch ENVI. When you launch the ENVI software, this is how the interface looks like by default. I am using ENVI 5.3. If you are using lower version, the interface may look a bit different from this. However, let's go to the exercise we want to do in this video. So to detach the Toolbox, here is the Toolbox. Just as I said earlier on, the essence of detaching your Toolbox is to be able to position your Toolbox to make it more appealing to you or based on your preference. Now if you look here, here is the Toolbox. If I want to detach it to be able to move it from here to any location of my choice, come here and you will see this arrow, and the arrow is for attaching and detaching. So if I want to detach it, click on this arrow. You can see that the Toolbox has been detached. Now I can adjust it and move it to any position of my choice. For example, I can adjust it this way. Come here and adjust it, and I can easily move it to any position of my choice, to anywhere I want to position it. So the essence is to use it to arrange or move the Toolbox to position of your or location of your choice, just as I'm moving it. So if you want to attach it to this right hand side, just bring it back here and then click on the same icon to attach. When I click on it, yes, it has been attached. So it will stay here now, it will not be moving around. But if you want to move it around, that is to detached, click on this icon, it will be detached and you'll be able to move it to any position of your choice. So this is how to attach or detach Toolbox in ENVI software. Thank you for watching.